The primary function of oral rehydration salt is that it is used in dehydration, in management of dehydration. Okay? They are actually a mixture of electrolytes, carbohydrates, which are dissolved in water. They mainly are used to replace salts and water that the body loses when the patient experiences dehydration, which is caused by gastroenteritis, diarrhea, vomiting. It is very important because from practicing point of view as well as from exam point of view. Why? Because right from say PSC level to an advanced healthcare in homemade remedies also, ORS finds its place. So that is very, very important. So basically, dehydration is nothing but loss of water and dissolved salt from the body as a result of certain infections or diarrhea. Rehydration is the correction of dehydration. Oral ORS basically is a part of oral rehydration therapy, which is nothing but administration of fluid by mouth to prevent or correct the dehydration that occurs as a consequence of diarrhea or vomiting. Actually, what we will use is the WHO formulated one, the WHO formulated ORS that is the most commonly used. Now, ORS is actually supplied in the form of powder. So, in exam, often the examiner asks, what is a powder? So, powder is nothing but fine grounded solid dosage form consisting of one or more medicaments. It can be used for external application, for example, talcum powder that we use commonly in day-to-day life, or it can be for internal application like the ORS powder that we will discuss today. Generally, the particles in powder measures zero point 0.1 to 1 micrometer in diameter. This powder can be filled in empty gelatin capsules or compressed to yield tableto, which may be filled in powder for sachet. The award file has been shared with you, no? I think the Word file is shared with all of you. Good.
Sir,
So, yes, बोलो. Yes, please बोलो. एक ORS का वर्ड फाइल शेयर हुआ है कि नहीं ये बताओ मुझे.
no, sir.
ठीक है, मैं कर दूंगा. चाहे मैं क्लास खत्म होने के बाद कमेंट सेक्शन में जो चैट बॉक्स है ना, वहाँ पे एक वो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड का फाइल डाल दूंगा, उसको पढ़ लेना. तो ओरल
Okay,
डिहाइड्रेशन
sir.
सॉल्ट या पाउडर का जो एम है ये एक्सपेरिमेंट का एम इज टू प्रिपेयर एंड डिस्पेंस ORS powder, and you should also advise to make 500 ml of ORS for patients suffering from mild dehydration. The question then next comes, what will you use for making this powder? What are the substances that you will use to make the powder? In other words, what are the constituents of ORS, right? So the constituents or ingredients of ORS are per liter, it is expressed as per liter. Sodium chloride is 3.5 gram, potassium chloride is 1.5 gram, citrate is 10 millimoles, sodium bicarbonate is 2.5 gram, chloride is 80 millimoles, glucose is 20 gram, and water is 1 liter. This is what is traditionally called as old ORS. Nowadays, the formulation of ORS has undergone a change. The new formula for ORS will be Sodium chloride will be 2.6 gram. Potassium chloride will be 1.5 gram. Instead of citrate only, we will use trisodium citrate, 2.9 gram. Chloride will be 65 millimole instead of 80 millimoles, and glucose will be 13.5 gram instead of 20 grams. What students, as a student, what will you do in the exam? It will take all this, you will measure all these equipments or ingredients and put it in mortar. You will grind and mix it well and pack the powder in paper. The paper will be supplied from our pharmacy only. Put this packet and other packet of dimensions and make a label and disperse. This is the procedure that you will have to follow when we will resume with the offline classes, practical classes. एक ही क्लास में हो जाता है तो समझ सकते हो. पाउडर को जस्ट मिलाओगे और उस पैकेट आपको पास दिया जाएगा, उस पैकेट के अंदर डालोगे. इंपॉर्टेंट इज पैकेट के ऊपर लेबलिंग, वो बस इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, वो आपको सिखाया जाएगा, वो कोई बड़ा इशू नहीं है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल कंपोनेंट्स. हमने पहले दिया था सोडियम और पोटेशियम जो दिया था, वो क्यों देते हैं? वो इसलिए देते हैं बिकॉज कैटायंस आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर नॉर्मल एक्टिविटी ऑफ नर्व, मसल्स एंड ग्लैंडुलर सिक्रेशंस. अगर ये कम हो जाएगा तो नर्व, मसल और ग्लैंडुलर सिक्रेशंस जो है उसमें आपको दिक्कत आएगा. हम ट्राइसोडियम साइट्रेट क्यों देते हैं? Trisodium citrate acts as a buffer and prevents acid-base imbalance and acidosis. Whenever there is loss of fluid from the body, there is a chance to develop acidosis. This can be prevented if you add trisodium citrate. Next comes the importance of glucose. You must have noticed now the glucose is 13.5 grams. What is the purpose of glucose? The glucose is added because it facilitates sodium absorption. This is very important. The electrolyte imbalance, it helps in correction of the electrolyte imbalance. Sometimes the examiner will ask you, सोचो आपके पास ग्लूकोज नहीं है तो क्या करोगे? तो you can, घर में जो चीनी होता है ना, you can add it. The molar ratio of glucose more than or equal to sodium, it should not be exceed 110 millimole because in higher concentration glucose can cause osmotic diarrhea. आपको एग्जाम में ये पूछा जा सकता है कि अगर ग्लूकोज भाई सोडियम को एब्जॉर्प्शन कराने में हेल्प करता है तो उसको क्यों ना ज्यादा दिया जाए. आपका आंसर होगा ये कि अगर ये ज्यादा दिया जाएगा ना तो higher concentration में it can cause osmotic diarrhea and can add to the dehydration which already exists. That's why glucose we will add at optimum amount, that is 13.5 grams, which is equivalent to 75 milliliters. Next comes what is the benefit of when it is, and again a question which is asked in the exam. That's why I am particularly asking about discussing this with you people. What are the benefits of new ORS over old ORS? What are the benefits of new ORS over old ORS? First thing, if ORS is not given, then intravenous therapy should have been given. New ORS reduces the need of intravenous therapy by as much as 33%. Next, stool volume is reduced. Third, incidence of vomiting is reduced. It has been found that maximum water absorption occurs from slightly hypotonic solution where glucose is concentration is between 60 to 110 millimole. These are the benefits of new ORS. Not only that, there are some other benefits also. If you look carefully, while I will share the word file, you will know. There is a earlier old ORS में we have sodium bicarbonate. New ORS में sodium bicarbonate has been replaced by trisodium citrate. Again, a question from the examiner: why sodium bicarbonate has been replaced by trisodium citrate? This is because bicarbonate containing powder develops a brown color due to formation of furfuryl compounds with glucose. I repeat, bicarbonate containing powder develops a brown color due to formation of furfuryl compounds with glucose. In other words, it reduces the shelf life of ORS powder. That's why we use trisodium citrate. Sometimes again it is asked in oral, अच्छा एक चीज सुन लो, डोज कैसे होता है माइल्ड डिहाइड्रेशन में. द डोज इज बेसिकली माइल्ड डिहाइड्रेशन मतलब फ्लूइड लॉस इज 5 to 7% ऑफ बॉडी वेट. मॉडरेट मतलब द फ्लूइड लॉस इज 7.5 to 10% of body weight. Severe dehydration indicates that fluid loss is greater than 10%. In severe dehydration, intravenous therapy is required. Now, what sometimes there is another question which is asked in the exam: what is super ORS? Super ORS is nothing but it contains essential amino acids. They facilitate absorption of glucose, that is the containing amino acids which are remain are alanine, glycine, and they basically facilitate sodium absorption. But super ORS has got one disadvantage because it is expensive. In fact, you will find super ORS is used in burns, post-trauma, certain times of post-surgery, long distance runner, particularly those who run marathon. Now, in the file that I will share, you will get the label that you have to put. Just save the file in your mobile or desktop, because when in next time when there will be offline classes, I will actually demonstrate how to put this particular label. It's nothing, we will show you. वो तो 5 मिनट का काम है, वो देख लेना. लेकिन ओआरएस पाउडर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. काफी सारे सवाल पूछे जाते हैं. एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ, मैं एक बार ना उसको डाल देता हूँ, नहीं तो बाद में दिक्कत हो जाएगी. हेलो, हेलो एवरीबॉडी. Hello everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are
Yes, sir.
audible.
Please look at the chat box. You will find a Word file. Can you find it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is the notes which has been prepared from our department. So please share, please go through the notes. Whatever I have taught is present in that notes. And at the end of the notes, you will find the level that you have to put while you will do the offline practical classes. There will be ample of time. You don't worry about that. Because you have to just put that level. Don't worry regarding that. The thing that you have to do is that you have to memorize almost the concentration at which sodium chloride, potassium chloride, trisodium acetate, then this particular glucose, what are the concentration in which they are used, both in terms of absolute concentration, which is measured in grams, and also in terms of millimole. Next, what I have discussed is the importance of individual constituents. What is the function of sodium? What is the function of potassium? Why you are adding glucose? Why this much of glucose only? Why not greater than 110 milliwatt? Then I have discussed advantages of ORS. Then what is the difference between new ORS and old ORS? Advantages of new ORS over old ORS. What is super ORS? Just remember it is addition of some amino acids to the ORS powder and nothing else. These essential amino acids particularly include alanine and glycine. Addition, they facilitate absorption of glucose as well as sodium absorption. Obviously वहाँ एक को करेगा तो दूसरे को करेगा ही. डिसएडवांटेज क्या है इसका सुपर ओआरएस का? देखो पैसे तो बहुत ज्यादा लगते हैं, एक्सपेंसिव है. कहाँ पे यूज होता है सुपर ओआरएस? बॉन्ड्स, पोस्ट ट्रॉमा पेशेंट, पोस्ट सर्जरी, डायरिया, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनर जैसे कि मैराथन वगैरह, ये यूज होता है. ठीक है, फिर हम लेवल की बात करते हैं. लेवल जो है वो देख लेना उसमें. ठीक है, पूरी चीज एक बार प्लीज गो थ्रू द एंटायर वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. सभी को वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट मिला कि नहीं? प्लीज कंफर्म. Please confirm whether you have got that Word document. Go in the chat box.
Yes, sir, it is showing.
It is showing ना.
Yes,
एक बार
sir.
खोल के देखो, एक बार खोल के देखो, डाउनलोड करो उसको. चिंता भी मत करो, मैं आपका बैच इंचार्ज को भी दे दूंगा उसको, so that किसी को अगर दिक्कत आया, he or she can please contact him. ठीक है, बाई
Sir,
चांस
it is.
डाउनलोड करने में. हाँ रश्मि बोलो.
Yes, sir, it is visible in the Word
Yes,
document.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Thank you all. So please go through the document. In case of any difficulty, you know my email ID. Please get back to me and put a comment there. I will respond to your query. ठीक है,
Thank you, sir.
एक बार खुद पढ़ लो. Already you have done a class. You are tired. I know. Mentally fatigued हो गए हो. So too much for today. Thank you all for attending the class. Have a great day. In case of any difficulty, please mail it to me. Along with the query, I will get back. ठीक है, thank you all for attending the class. If there are no
Thank you,
queries,
sir.
we can just leave the meeting. Thank you all for attending. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.